Hi, I'm Vitor. I'm the lead software engineer from YooniK. We develop facial recognition solutions, and here we are demonstrating one application of that to the hospitality industry, where we can enroll um, on a self-check-in kiosk in a hotel, for instance. I will just fill my name and get a picture of my face. Okay, so I'm now registered in room number 42, and now we can approach the room, and you can be just identified, and the door room opens automatically, and we can enter the room without having to check in on the hotel registration. That's it. You can have more information in our website at yooniK.me.